Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to delve into the mysterious world of male body language and uncover the secret signs that indicate when a man is interested in you. So, if you have ever wondered if that special someone is into you, keep watching as we reveal the 7 secret signs a man wants you. Let's jump right in. Sign number 1. Eye contact. The first sign to watch out for is prolonged eye contact. If a man is genuinely interested in you, he will maintain eye contact and even glance at you when he thinks you are not looking. It shows that he is focused on you and wants to connect on a deeper level. Sign number 2. Physical touch. Physical touch is another powerful indicator of attraction. Pay attention to subtle touches such as brushing against your arm or back, or finding excuses to initiate physical contact. These gestures demonstrate that he wants to be physically close to you and establish a connection. Sign number 3. Mirroring behavior. People tend to mirror the body language of those they are interested in. If you notice a man mimicking your gestures, such as crossing his arms when you do, or mirroring your posture, it is a strong indication that he is trying to establish rapport and create a bond between you both. Sign number 4. Active listening. One of the most telling signs a man wants you is active listening. When a guy is truly interested, he will give you his undivided attention, maintain eye contact, and engage in meaningful conversations. He will remember small details about your life and show genuine curiosity about your thoughts and experiences. Sign number 5. Protectiveness. Another sign to watch for is protectiveness. If a man wants you, he will naturally feel inclined to protect and care for you. He may display subtle signs of protectiveness, like walking closer to the street when you are walking together, or offering to help you with tasks. These actions demonstrate his desire to keep you safe and show his interest. Sign number 6. Initiating communication. When a man wants you, he will make an effort to initiate communication and maintain regular contact. He will reach out through calls, texts, or social media to keep the conversation going. If you find him consistently reaching out to you, it's a clear sign that he is interested in getting to know you better. Sign number 7. Jealousy. Lastly, a man's jealousy can reveal his true feelings. While excessive jealousy is unhealthy, a little bit of possessiveness can indicate that he cares about you and doesn't want to lose you to someone else. Pay attention if he shows signs of discomfort or unease when you mention other men in your life. So, there you have it, the 7 secret signs a man wants you. Remember, body language can be a powerful tool in understanding someone's interest and intentions. However, it's essential to consider these signs in conjunction with verbal communication and other aspects of your relationship to get a clearer picture. Thank you for watching. Those signs are indeed interesting. If you have something to add, please leave a comment down below. And if you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing.